Hello friends, today we are going to solve question 44 of SOM series. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find arc length, that is part 3 of SOM series. You can find the link in description. And so today we will solve this question. So question is, find the arc length of y is equal to 1 by 2 root x into 3 minus x for x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3. So we know that formula of arc length L is equal to integration from a to b under root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square into dx. This is the formula. If you want to know how I am writing this formula, you can watch my part 3. So that will be useful for you. So now for this, let's first find dy by dx. So let's multiply root x inside. So y is equal to 1 upon 3 root x minus x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 x raised to 3 by 2. Now derivate this term with respect to dx. So dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 3 is outside, 3 into x raised to integration of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, and here derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x minus derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 is x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. So x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, and 3 by 2 will come ahead. So now multiply 3 inside, so we get 1 upon 2 root x. Here also 3 will get cancelled, minus 1 upon 2, and 3 by 2 minus 1 is x raised to root x raised to 1 by 2. So this we got value of dy by dx. Now dy by dx whole square, let's find dy by dx whole square. So dy by dx whole square is equal to 1 upon 2 root x minus 1 upon 2 into root x whole square. So solving this, we get, let's take 1 upon 2 common. So this will be 1 upon root 2 into root 2. Root x into root x will be x, and root x below will remain as it is, and that square. So this square and this square. Now square this term, so we get 1 upon 4 into 1 minus 2x, a minus b whole square formula I am using. So a minus b whole square upon x. Now what is our third step? Dy upon dx whole square plus 1 we have to find. So that is equal to adding 1 to this equation. So 1 upon 1 minus 2x plus x square whole upon 4x plus 1. So we have to add 1 to this equation. So we get 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 4x upon 4x. So here minus 2x plus 4x will be 1 plus 2x plus 2x x square upon 4x. So can you relate this equation with this equation? Both are similar, but there is only change of negative sign. So we can write this 1 upon 4 whole square into 1. Here minus will get changed by plus. 1 plus x upon root x whole square. Yeah, we can write. When we will solve this equation, we will get this equation. So now now L is what? L is equal to integration from x is from 0 to 3, and we have to find the root of, we have already find this value that is inside root, that is, let's put this value 1 upon 4 whole square. It is 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 whole square into 1 plus x upon root x whole square into dx. Now further solving this, we can take out 1 upon 2 outside, and this also we can cancel the root. So it will be 1 plus x upon root x into dx. Now it has become little simple. Now further simplifying this, we get integration 1 upon 2 is outside, 0 to 3, 1 upon root x. We can write x raised to minus 1 by 2, because x raised to minus root x, if it will go up, plus x upon root x. So this we can write x upon root x will be root x into dx. This is x raised to 1 by 2. Now integrate this term with respect to dx. So we get 1 by 2. This will be x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. This I have done just integration. So that is equal to 1 upon 2. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. So this will be x raised to 1 by 2 upon, this is 1 by 2 plus this will be 3 by 2, and this is x raised to 3 by 2. Limit are from 0 to 3. Now when we will take 2 up, let's take 2 upside. So this will be 1 upon 2 into 2, put upper limit 3 raised to 1 by 2 plus this will be 2 by 3 into 3 raised to 2 by 3. Minus 0 is going to be 0 only. So this 2 will get cancelled. So it will be 3 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 3. So 3 into 3 raised to 3 by 2. Now this is 3, it has power 1, and this is 3 raised to 3 by 2. So can we write this 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1? Yeah, of course we can write this is 3 raised to 1 by 2. So 3 raised to 1 by 2 plus 3 raised to 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 into root 3. So 2 root 3 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.